back in my yard, and it's the race in the backyard through the sprinkler. Chelsea's winning, but Steffi's a close second. Hey Steph, yell on your mark. Steffi's gotta go. It's a good way to race, eh?
Where'd Steffi go? Oh, no, she came around.
She's trying to find a way to race without going through that water.
Steffi, go this way.
Well, the fun part is racing through the water.
What's the matter, Steph?
No racers over there. I don't see any.
Did you get all wet?
I don't see any racers.
Run.
There's a racer. Get out there and race.
Go race. Just run. Run through the sprinkler.
We'll time you. Andrew's having a nap.
You gotta go pee?
Okay, on your marks, get set, go! And there's Chelsea goes. Never even got stopped by the sprinkler. Alright. Go! Whoa, right through the water. Alright. These guys are good racers. Chippy and the kids are petting her. Even Steffi. Gotta pet the doggy. Auntie Andrea's sleeping in the background. No. No, she's not scared. Chippy likes it. There we go.
Say more.
Oh yeah.
Do I have to get this red button to turn it off?
Yeah, it'll just close up. What's that dog's name, Steph? Chippy. Is she a nice dog? Yeah. Chippy's shedding some hair, so the girls are giving her, they're combing out her coat. They're brushing her for us, and they're doing a good job.
Okay, Chelsea's turn.
No.
Stephanie, you give it, it's Mommy's turn. We're all taking turns. Mommy's turn. Stephanie, Brianne, no. Stephanie. No.
It's Mommy's turn.
Mommy's turn.
Mommy's turn.
Oh yeah. In a minute we'll have to get Chippy to roll over. Amazing how much comes out, eh?
Oh, no kidding. Right here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna, not today, but I gotta trim her good too.
Wow. Okay.
Oh yeah, she'll lay there for quite a while.